Hello everyone, I am Reggie Ricasio. I am going to do this bonus video for MMS 172 Unit 2. I am going to show my two devices. First, I use my Acer laptop model AS51. This is my usual setup with the built-in camera and built-in microphone. But like what said in the sample video, this kind of setup is not really good as the main device used for recording. Next, I am going to show my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hello again. Now, I switch to my iPhone 15 Pro Max to show another device that I use. I saw in the discussion forum that iPhone are still good for this purpose. But in the sample video, the dynamic and the condenser mics still sounded good. So I think I need to buy that kind of microphones as soon as possible. Thank you.